turtles, tigers. We've all heard of them and probably donated money to them at one stage. These animals may be endangered, yes, but they have a population in the thousands. It's time humans focus on the conservation of animals that really need humans' help. The Vaquita, or Phocina sinus, is said to be one of the most uncommon animals in the wild. After its discovery in 1958, its population has dramatically dropped. With as little as 10 individuals left in the wild, it is in need of serious help. Most people have never heard of the Vaquita. This is because it only lives in the northern area of the Gulf of Mexico, bordering San Felipe and Baja California. Weighing up to 120 pounds, the Vaquita is the smallest porpoise species alive, and they can grow up to 5 feet long, with females typically being longer than the male and the males having larger fins. This is a Vaquita. Vaquitas do not have a beak, like other dolphin and porpoise species, but they do have black rings around their eyes thought to be used for hunting. They have spade-shaped teeth and a triangular dorsal fin that helps them reduce their body temperature in warmer water. NOAA Fisheries reported that vaquitas feed on small fish, crustaceans such as shrimp, and cephalopods such as squid and octopuses. Vaquitas can live for approximately 21 years, reaching sexual maturity at 3 to 6 years. They have a gestation period of 10 to 11 months, after which a single 2.5 feet long, 16-pound calf is born. 1 in 5 vaquitas get caught in gill nets each year. With their critically endangered population of as little as 10 individuals, they are likely to go extinct by the year 2022 or 2023. China's high demand for the Totoaba fish's swim bladder, a fish that lives in the Gulf of Mexico that's roughly the same size as a vaquita, has led to the international trading of the animal. The nets used to catch these animals are deadly to the vaquita, and many get caught. In China, the Totoaba fish's swim bladders are very precious, and people will pay up to hundreds of thousands of dollars to purchase 1 kilogram of swim bladder. They believe they have cultural significance and medicinal benefits. Unfortunately, to catch these animals they must use gill nets, which produce much bycatch. With the major threat to the vaquitas in the wild being the use of gill nets, WWF Mexico resorted to the removal of these in 2013 to 2015. Even with 50 local fishermen on board, the illegal fishermen are still driving this population to extinction. Currently, the Mexican government and WWF Mexico are open to a full gill net ban, but would prefer to develop new technologies for legal and sustainable fishing. So, what are we doing today? The organisation Sea Shepherd has been doing a lot in recent years for the vaquita and the totoaba fish by clearing any gill nets and preventing illegal fishing around the Gulf of Mexico. In 2015, the Mexican government paid local fishermen in the town of San Felipe to halt all fishing efforts. This was not a successful solution, as fishermen still fished. Although, in 2015 and 2018, the Chinese government banned 444 kilograms of swim bladders, which is equal to approximately $26 million. Although not all hope is lost for vaquitas. A recent study shows that vaquitas have lived in small numbers for up to 250,000 years, meaning their population has a chance to bounce back. I propose that we use pingers connected to the gill nets that use sonar to warn off any local dolphins or porpoise who may get stuck in the net. This idea was first discussed in 2016 by Tim Warner, who has worked with many different sustainable fishing alternatives in the past. The pingers would be placed no further than 100 meters apart from each other, in bait bags or directly to the net. These pingers have been designed to withstand the impacts of being hauled in, meaning they would only need to be checked or changed every 4 weeks. Marine mammals, such as porpoise, have a very good sense of hearing. As a response to this, sound has been used to deter marine mammals away from gill nets since the 1980s. I believe that this would be a very beneficial solution because pingers like this are currently used all around the world. For example, the input of these pingers has significantly reduced the number of harbour porpoise getting stuck in gill nets each year. In conclusion, I am one of the many young people in this world who believe that not only the vaquita but all animals should be able to live their lives. Whether humans created the problem or not, we have the ability to solve it, so why not start now?